Good evening, guys. Welcome back. Welcome back with the second puzzle. The second puzzle in this additional of today's newspaper on Friday, August the 9th, 2024. And I've already solved one puzzle, the 3 stars Sudoku. So 3 puzzles are left. The binary, jigsaw Sudoku. And this one you are interested. It's the 4 stars Sudoku. 4 stars Sudoku number 9061. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, always this one. This one has always 24 printed digits. It's a kind of indication of the difficulty level. The less printed digits, the more it will be difficult, but you cannot always say that. Sometimes you have a puzzle with a lot of pairs, a lot of hidden numbers, then you will need more time to solve that puzzle. But for 4 stars puzzle, we need 30 minutes or more to solve. That's my time limit. 30 minutes or more. Is this really a 4 stars puzzle? We don't know. We will see. So let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. We have here 3 ones. We have here 2 twos. We have here 3 threes. We have here 1 4. We have here 3 fives. 3 sixes. 2 sevens, about 8, 1, 2, 3, 8, and 1, 2, 3 nines. So it's divided. Let me see. Which number can I pick? Well, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of missing numbers 2. We have a 2 in the first column, no 2 in these 2 boxes. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 in those 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 2 in this big square. Should we there? 2, 2, okay. 9, 9. Then let me see. Need a 7 here. Need a 7 there. 1 here. 5 in this column. 5 in the middle column. So the column next down. Need 2 places. 11 to 5 should be here or there. We have 5 in the middle row. No 5 there. 5 should be there. 5 in this row. 5 in the middle row. So the row above. No, need place 11 to 5 should be there. 1 3 and the 7 1 3 7. Okay. Then the 1 here. Let me think. 5 Need a 5 there. Need a 5 here. 5. Need a 5 there. Yeah. Need a 6 there. Need a 6 here. I'm thinking. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. Well, we have a 6 in the middle row, no 6 in these 2 boxes. We have a 6 in the middle column, no 6 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 6 in this big square. Should be there. 6, 6, okay. So I need a 6 here. Here or there. 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6. Okay. No 6. Need 6 there. 6 here. Come on. Need a 1 here. 1 there, okay. 7 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 1. We have a 1 in the third row, no 1 in these 3 boxes. We have a 1 in the second column, no 1 in those 3 boxes. So the 1 in this big square could be here, could be there. 1 in one of those 2 boxes in the third column, 1 in the second column. So the first column, the only place left for the 1 should be there. So 2 numbers left now in this big square. 4 numbers, 1 and 2. 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. 3 and the 7, 3 and the 7. We have a 3 in the third column, no 3 there. 3 should be here and the 7 goes there. 7 in this row, 7 in that row. So the row between the middle row, only 2 places, 11 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be there. 3 missing numbers now in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing, 5, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing, and the 9 is missing. 4, 8, 9, 4, 8, 9, 4, 8, 9, 4, 8, 9, and look, we have 4 and 8 in this row. No 4 and 8 in this box. 4 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 9. We have a pair again, I believe. In this big square, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 missing numbers. 2 of those missing numbers are the 6 and the 9. We have 6 and the 9 in this row, so no 6 and the 9 in these 2 boxes. We have also 6 and the 9 in the middle row, no 6 and the 9 in these 2 boxes. And we have a 6 and a 9 in this column, no 6 and a 9 in those 2 boxes. So 2 boxes left in this big square for the 6 and 9 goes in these 2 boxes. So here we have 2 pairs, the 6 and a 9 and a 4 and 8. 4 and 8, okay. Then 2 numbers left in the first, in this row for numbers 1 is missing 2, is missing 1 and a 2. Okay, 1 and 2, 4, 8, and 3 is missing. We need a 3 here. Yeah, need a 3 here. Okay. Well, in this column, we need an 8. The last column. Well, these 2 boxes can be an 8. We have 8 in this big square. No 8 there. Here can be an 8. We have 8 in the first row. No 8 there. So the only 2 places left 8 should be here or there. We see another 8 in this row. No 8 there. So the 8 should be there. So this box should be a 4 then. Yeah, 1 number left should be the 4. 1 number left in this big square for number 8 then. 8 in this column, 8 in that column, so the column between the middle column, the only 2 places left 8 should be here or there. We have an 8 in the last row, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8. Need an 8 there. Need an 8 here. Alright. Let me think. Need a 3. 3 in this row, 3 in the last row. So the row between the only 2 places left, the 3 should be here or there. We have a 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be there. 3. Need a 7 here. Well, we have a pair. The 3 and a 7 in this column. The 3 and a 7 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only 2 places left of the 3 and a 7 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this column for number 1. The 2 is missing here. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2, 3, the 4 is missing, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 149, 149, 149, 149, and look, we have 1 in this column, so no 1 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 1 in this big square should be there, and the 4 and the 9 are left. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 2 numbers left now in this column for numbers 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 4 and 9, 4 and 9. We have a 9 in this row. No 9 there. 9 should be in. 4 goes there. So we have a 9 in the third row. 9 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places left of the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in this column. No 9 there. 9 should be there. 9 in the third column, 9 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 3 places left for the 9 should be here, or there. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 there. We have a 9 in the row below, no 9 there. The only place left for the 9 should be there. Do we have all the 9s? No. 6 and a 9, overlook this 9 in this column, so no 9 there. 9 should be here. 6 goes there. Overlooked. And all the 9s are used. I can't see. Digit number 1, number 9. Need a 1 here. That means here we have 1. We need a 1 there. Yeah, this should be the 1. This should be the 6. Okay. Well, in this row, 4 missing numbers. 1 of the missing number in this row is number 6. Here can be 6. We have a 6 in this column. No 6 there. So the 6 in this row could be here, or there. We see another 6 in the last column. No 6 there. Another 6 in the column next. No 6 there. The only place left is 6. Should be there. 6. Well. Let me think. Need 6 there. 2 numbers left. 6 and 2. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, 5, 6 is missing. 2 and 6, 2 and 6. We have a 2 in the first row. No 2 there. 2 should be in. 6 goes there. 2. Okay. How about 3 missing numbers now in this row. One of the missing number in this row is number 7. Here give me 7, we have a 7 in this column, no 7 there. Here give me 7, we have a 7 in this column, no 7 there. The only place left is 7 should be there. So 2 numbers left now in this row for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing, the 3 and the 4 is missing. 2 and the 4, 2 and the 4. We have a 2 in the first column, no 2 there. 2 should be here, 4 goes there. Alright. So we have a 2 in the first row, 2 in the second row, from the third row. The only 2 places left, the 2 should be here. There we have a 2 in this column, no 2 there. 2 should be there. 1 and a 2, we have a 2 now in this column, no 2 there. 2 should be here, no 1 goes there. Then, let me see. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 1. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 1 in this big square. Should be there. So 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing, and 5 is missing. 4 and 5, 4 and 5. We have a 4 in this row, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1 and 2. 3 is missing, and a 4 is missing. 3 and 4, 3 and 4. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 3 goes there. 1 box left in the last column for the number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. 2 numbers left in this column for numbers 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6. 7 is missing, and 8 is missing. 7, 8, 7, 8. We have 8 in the first row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 7 and a 3, we have a 7 now in the first row, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Then let me see, 1 and 5. 2 numbers left in the last row for numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing. 6 is missing. 5 and 6, 5 and 6 cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes here. Then in the first column for numbers 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. We have a 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be here. 8 goes there. So we have 8 in this column, first column. 8 in the third column. So the column between the second column, the only 2 places left 8 should be here or there. We have an 8 in this second row. No 8 there. 8 should be there. And all the 8s are used. I can see digit number 2, number 8. Then, how about the 4s? 4 in the first row, 4 in the second row, from the third row, the only place left for the 4 is should be there. And all the 4s are used. I can see digit number 3, number 4. Then 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number in this big square is number 5. We have a 5 in the second row, no 5 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 5 in this big square. Should be there. And I've eliminated here the 1, so the 1 goes there. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing. 6 and a 5, we have a 6 now in the second column, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 5 goes in there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing. 2 and a 7, 2 and a 7. We have a 2 in the second column, no 2 there. 2 should be here, 7 goes there. And 1 box left in the third row for number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing. And the final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers 1 is missing. The 2 and the 3 is missing. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. We have a 1 in the second row, no 1 there. 1 should be here, 3 goes there. Finish in 14 minutes. Wow, this one. Well, quick to solve. 4 stars, no. 3 stars, no. 2 stars, no. Let me give this a 1 star. Faster than 15 minutes. So, well pleased with the time. And I like this one, yes. I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it or solve by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the other 2 puzzles. Until then, bye-bye for now.